what's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm doing an illusion crochet install. The difference between this install and my original installs that this client didn't want me to like tease razor the hairline, so I just installed it and left it how it was, put product on it. I usually use mousse or Hawaiian silky for my clients' hair, and I tell them to get it to maintain it, and that usually helps the install to last 4 to 8 weeks. You're able to keep all crochet styles in at least a month if you're maintaining and taking care of it right and properly, and if you're wrapping it at night, wearing your silk bonded. Yeah, so right now I'm just currently doing the braid down, and also in the middle of this video I will show you what brand of mousse I use. It says Relax. That was the only thing I had on hand. Just make sure whatever mousse you use that it's alcohol free mousse, because the mousse that have the alcohol in it tends to dry the hair out. So make sure it's alcohol free mousse. And yeah, so I'm just gonna let y'all see how I do this install. Like I said, I don't do the razor teasing. She didn't like the messy look the last install she had by me, so she just told me to left it as it is. I like it better with the when I razor the hair, so I can give it more of a natural look. It looks better to me, and also that way you don't see any knots. No knots are visible. But she liked it this way. It came out cute. She wanted it extra full. I usually don't like to install a lot of hair unless the client requests a full install. So she wanted it more full than I usually do, so that's why she have a lot of hair. And I also had to go in and put a lot of layers in it so it won't look just so big and bulky. So you will see that at the end of this video. Make sure you if you make it to the end, make sure you leave a comment at the end of the video. Subscribe to my page, share it, give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't like it. I thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video.
Cover my face, calling me like bad job. Biggie man, wait no day where I back down. Let me tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the Kelton, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the Kelton, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when they do, and they try to do I'm way. I can't come and keep myself. Plenty so far we face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon. All the Bentley, the Kelton, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the Kelton, ride the whip, I know feet. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat I'm paddling. Shout out Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money I did concentrate. I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a son, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one me. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me. What's it come? G-Wagon, all depend. The girl them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all depend. The girl them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Now.
Be on your